Hey guys, it's your girl Carmise. Welcome back to my channel. It is bright and early. It is currently 11. It is currently 8:11 in the morning, and today is supposed to be a big snowstorm. Rain mixed with ice, mixed with snow. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be really, really icy and bad weather starting in the afternoon. Let me see how active it is. Before, when I saw it, it was pink, so I don't know if it's even active right now. That's the annoying part. Oh, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Please let me know. But anyways, you guys, I'm about to go where all the restaurants are and hopefully it gets active. All right, you guys, so I am here at Dunkin' Donuts. I accepted an order going for $6, 2.7 miles. My customer wants 5 items, frozen chocolate, 3 donuts, and bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich. My pickup time is in 2 minutes, you guys, and I don't know if I want to keep coming back to this Dunkin' Donuts. It's been dead for over an hour now, and all the orders that I've been getting weren't good, so I just been declining them. And this order popped up, and child, people just keep coming in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out of this Dunkin' Donuts, and I don't know, I don't like that. You know what I'm saying? It's early in the morning and everybody's just, you know, here. So I'm about to go in there. Last time they gave me a notification when my order was ready. I didn't get no notification this time, so I'm just gonna go in there, see what's up. But before I go in there, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications to notify every single time your girl put her videos. And yeah, I'm about to go see what's up. My damn key.
Today. Nancy O.
I have a DoorDash order.
What's the name?
It's Derek. Huh? Derek? They're prioritizing the customers and all that. I'm just standing there looking like a fool. You know what I'm saying? Next time I'm just gonna go in there and speak the fuck up and tell them I got a DoorDash order, instead of wasting my time when that shit was been over there. I couldn't read the name. I couldn't tell if that was my customer's name because the way they write, I couldn't tell if that was my customer's name back there, and it was the whole time, my nigga. So I'm just standing there for no reason. I'm just standing there for no reason like a fool when that shit's been ready. So I don't care. Next time I go in there, tell them I got a fucking DoorDash order. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care if you're busy. I don't care what the fuck you're doing. Alright, you guys, it has been over an hour since my last delivery. I'm not going to complain simply because it is the morning time, and I know for a fact that it is slow in the mornings, but that snowstorm about to come later, and I'm not trying to be all up in that shit, okay? But anyways, you guys, I am here at Bagel Boys. I accepted an order going for $9, 5.3 miles. My customer wants 4 items, bagel with cream cheese, 2 Nesquik, and 1 heart attack. Someone asked me what comes with a heart attack, and I'm about to tell you guys right now. A heart attack is, it says heart attack, add-on, sausage, cheese, bacon. So I don't know what it is. Is it a sandwich? I don't know what it is, but my pickup time is right now, you guys. So I'm about to go in there to see if my order is ready. And yeah. For Michael. Michael. Thank you. You too. All right, you guys. So she just finished packaging off my order. It is all ready. Let's see if this is a contact or contactless delivery. It's a little heavy. Ooh. All right, you guys. I have my order right here. I am 2 minutes after my pickup time. This little heart attack thing they got is a little heavy. Oh, they got 2 drinks, I forgot. They have 2 Nesquik. They got strawberry flavored Nesquik, so. But anyways, you guys, I'm about to confirm my pickup. This is a hand to customer delivery, and they are 10 minutes away. So I'll see you guys once I get there. All right, you guys, I just made it. It is starting to hail and rain. Yeah, it's starting to hail and snow and all of that. So I don't know if you guys can hear it. Y'all hear it? But anyways, I'm about to ring the bell and hand my order to my customer. Oh shit, they're standing outside by the window. Behind the door, they're standing outside. Hello. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, you guys, handing my order to my customer. Complete. Oh, there's a $2 peak pay going on right now? I didn't even know there was a $2 peak pay going on. So that order was originally $7. What? There's a peak pay going on till 2 o'clock, y'all. That's why it's so fucking slow. That's literally why it's so slow. Alright, I hope the snow won't start getting all heavy now, because it's only 50 and 11 o'clock. I was trying to work till like 2:30, but it's so slow. Like, all right, you guys, the snow is starting to pick up, okay, but I'm just going to stay safe and keep, you know, doing my deliveries until like 2:30, 3 o'clock today. But you guys, I just accepted an order at McDonald's going for $9, 1.6 miles. Child, this peak pay right now is doing wonders, okay? My customer wants 2 items, iced French vanilla coffee and 10-piece McNuggets meal. My pickup time is in 2 minutes, y'all, so I'm about to go in there to see if my order is ready. They're probably packaging it or something. So I'm about to go in there.
Thank you.
No problem. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. All right, you guys, I'm sure my order was ready after the pickup time, but it's cool, it's cool. I ain't complaining, honey. Alright, you guys, I have my order right here. I am 3 minutes after my pickup time. This is a contactless delivery that said please do not ring the doorbell, just leave it on the porch. So I will do just that for you, Justin. My customer is 6 minutes away, you guys, and yeah, I'm about to head over there. Child, I am so mad that I got my car washed yesterday. I wasn't thinking about the snow because now the snow just gonna dirty up my car again, you know what I'm saying? Because I couldn't stand my car, like it was so like ashy and dirty. So I got a car wash yesterday and now it's snowing, so it's like it's gonna go back to the way it was before. So I wasted $8 on that car wash because it's gonna go back to the way it was before once the snow gets on my car. Like it's already starting to like ash it up. All right, you guys, I just made it to my customer's house. I'm not going to ring the bell. I'm just going to place it on the steps, take a picture, and then dip. The snow is starting to stick. Alright, you guys, place the item on the steps, took a picture, and then I dip. Oh, this thing is ripping on my face. Oh no, 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 where am I? Don't get my eye, don't get my eye. Don't get in my eye. Oh my gosh. Alright, good. Oh shit. This shit just squirted me right in my eye. Pause. What the fuck? Alright, you guys, I just made it to Lucky Star Bagels in Delhi. I accepted an order going for $8, 5.3 miles. My customer wants 2 items, french fries and sobo, S-O-B-O. And they left me in instructions. It's a contactless delivery, but they said house is a little hard to find. Maps will say you've arrived, but you have to drive down the driveway to see a gray house on the right. If you can't find it, just call me. I don't know if he's talking about Apple Maps or Google Maps. I know Google Maps would be like, you arrived, and you're just like, where? You know what I'm saying? So I will see, you guys, if it's actually that hard for me to find. My pickup time is at 5 minutes, y'all, so I have no idea if my food is ready. I know it's not ready, but I'm gonna go in there anyways to speed up the process. Make my presence known, you already know. And yeah, y'all, the snow is starting to really pick up now. It's 11:38 in the morning. They have salt all over the parking lot. And yeah, love me a good snow moment. I love the snow, but I just hate driving in it and being in it, you know what I'm saying? It's a pretty sight to look at, ain't gonna lie, but being in the snow is a no-go. But I'm about to go in there, y'all, and see what's up with my order. I'm picking up for Chaz. Huh? Okay. It's almost gonna be ready. We'll see, baby.
No, it's me. No, you have no choice. You can't do this. You literally just go through the crap. And I have to, not your fault. I need permission to know what's in the car. I'm stuck in a car. My husband's trying to get me to the car. I can't. That's the point. I can't. But that's my point. I cannot do that. They need to. They are the ones who need to. I need to speak to higher up management. Somebody that can work with me. Can I speak to higher up management, please? It's ready. Thank
you.
Thank you.
Child, look at the snow. Look at this fucking snow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. This lady is going crazy in there with the bank, talking about she needs a rental car and they're not giving it to her and all that. She's just going crazy because she's like, I didn't pick up my kids in an hour. I'm stranded, blah, 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 this and that. My car's at a dealership, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, oh my God. She's just going off in there in front of everybody. But I am 3 minutes after my pickup time, you guys. The snow is starting to pick up heavy. You know what I'm saying? It's picking up heavy. It's mostly snow and rain, so it's like a slush. But you guys, I am 10 minutes away from my customer. I feel bad for her, man. I don't know why they can't give her a rental car, but she's like, what more can I do? I gave you this, my routing number, everything. She said, I gave you everything. Like, what more can I do? Blah, blah, blah. She's like, it's not for a party, blah, blah, blah. Like, I don't know what's going on, but it's not my business. But she made it everybody's business because she's yelling and all out in there for everybody to hear her. But child, I don't know what's going on, but all right, you guys, I'm going through the long driveway they told me to. He said his house was gray. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. 253 A, B, he's C. Okay. And there's this person walking, like, he said his house was gray. What house is this, yo? What fucking house is this? I'm hella confused. Child, I'm about to start panicking. I didn't see no fuck. It's not no gray house. He said a fucking gray house down the long driveway on the right side. So where the fuck is that? Is it that gray house right there? How do I get there? Like, how do I possibly get there? I see a gray house right there. House is a little hard to find. Maps will say you're right, but you have to drive down the driveway to see a gray house on the right. Okay, I saw a gray house over there. I'm mad that I accepted this order. Like, I don't need to be struggling like this at all. Let me see if I can get down another street, another driveway. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. At this point, I just want to, like, bring this food back to the restaurant. Why did I accept this order, son? Why did I accept this order?
Hello?
Hi, I see your mailbox. I see your mailbox 253C. Do I just drive down the driveway? Because I couldn't find.
I'm pretty sure I saw you pass by. You just drive down.
Okay.
And it's the first house. It's the first house on the right of the fence.
Oh, okay. The beige house?
Yeah. Yeah, the gray house.
Do you have two black cars and a white car?
Yeah, I see you.
Oh, okay. Alright, you guys, I passed it the fucking first time. I'm dead. This ain't no fucking gray house. First of all, this is not no gray house. Not no gray house, okay? He's saying gray. This house ain't gray. I wish I could show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of it. This house ain't gray. Y'all, you call this gray? Is this house gray? Please let me know in the comment section because this looks beige. Child, I'm annoyed. He said the gray house as if that house is not gray. That's beige. You don't know your colors, my guy? So I handed it to my customer, you guys. I handed it to him 7 minutes early, so I still, you know, deliver that on time. Child, I'm not doing no hard shit like that again. Alright, you guys, I am back at McDonald's. I accepted an order going for $10, 2.5 miles. My customer wants 2 items, a double quarter pounder with cheese meal and a 10-piece McNuggets. So I'm about to go in there. My pickup time is in 3 minutes. 3 minutes, so let's see what's up. I don't even know the spicy nuggets was back. It looks like they're doing the order right now, yeah. DoorDash. 978-537. $978-537. Thank you. Alright, you guys, I have my order right here. It was ready 2 minutes after the pickup time. But anyways, you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. This is a contactless delivery and they are 6 minutes away. I think they're supposed to be closer than that, but they're showing traffic on the Apple Maps. So, but of course there's traffic. It's fucking snowing. It's fucking snowing. They're trying to clear up the roads with salt and all that. Wish they should have did that last night. Should have done it last night. Before it came up. But anyways, guys, I'm heading over to my customer. See you guys once I get there. I accepted an order at Moe's. I'm here on the side. I accepted an order at Moe's going for $11.50 at 4.2 miles. My customer wants 2 items, burrito and home wrecker burrito. My pickup time is in 2 minutes, so I'm about to go in there to see if my order is ready, y'all. Alright, you guys, I have my order right here. It was ready at the pickup shelf, as you guys can see. Alright, you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. They are 7 minutes away. Alright, you guys, I just made it to my customer's house. This is a hand it to customer delivery, and I am 3 minutes before my delivery time. So I'm about to ring the bell, hand them their order, and I'm good, y'all. Hello.
Thank you.
No problem. Alright, you guys, they gave me an extra 3 cents. Once I get my next order, I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I am back at McDonald's. It's on a roll today. I'm dead. But I accepted an order going for $10, 4.2 miles. My customer wants 7 items, 20-piece McNuggets, tangy barbecue sauce, 2 hot mustard dipping sauce, 1 quarter pounder with cheese, and 2 McRib. I'm about to head in there, you guys. My pickup time is in 4 minutes. They're like, damn sis, we seen you 3 times already. I'm dead. I don't give a fuck, just get my money, okay? That's all I'm here for. $701 621. Thank you. I'm dead. They're just keying in the back. Don't see the customers out here. That shit got me dead, but yeah, my order was ready. By the pickup time. All right, let's see if it's a contact or contactless delivery. It's a slush. It's a slush for me and my Uggs. All right, you guys, I have my order right here. It was already ready. Confirm pickup. All right, you guys, so this is a contactless delivery and my customer is 6 minutes away. All right, you guys, I just made it. I am going to leave the items on the steps, take a picture, and then ring the bell.
Hi, I'm sorry about the snow.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Thank you, hon.
Oh, she apologized about the snow. I said it's okay. You know, not everybody, you know, shovels right away. Like, it's cool. All right, you guys. I'm going to go home real quick and take a quick break, and then I'll be back on the road. I will see you guys in a little bit. I need to pee so bad. I need to pee. I need to do a whole lot. Like, I ain't even trying to tell if I need to do a whole lot. But I'll see you guys once I get my next order. Alright, you guys, I just accepted an order at Panera Bread going for $10, 3.5 miles. My customer wants 2 items, /mac and /mac, signature mac and cheese kids meal. And yeah, my pickup time was 1 minute ago, so I'm about to head in there to see if my order is ready. I'm gonna be very surprised if it's at the pickup shelf, but let's see.
Hi, babe. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. What are you picking up on?
I'm picking up for Emily. Emily H.
Probably in a few more minutes. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You too. Child, how do I come here 1 minute after my pickup time and the food wasn't even done yet, y'all? I was about to go back to my car because I was like, what the fuck is this? But my order was ready 5 minutes after the pickup time, you guys. I literally got here 1 minute after the pickup time and the food still wasn't ready, so I had to wait like 3 minutes. She was like, oh, they're making it right now. I'm like, what? I thought they meant like they're making the whole entire order right now, which I feel like they were. Ooh. Okay, you guys, so I am literally like damn near 7 minutes after my pickup time. How do I go in there late and they're not even ready with my shit? Like, that's what I don't get. Because my order pickup time was at 3:55 and now it is 4:02, so it's like 7 minutes after my pickup time. I even texted the customer and everything. But anyways, you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. This is a contactless delivery and they are 8 minutes away. Good thing I didn't have to cancel this order because I was gonna be like this close to canceling that shit. At 4:05 I was going to leave. I just made it to my customer's house pretty easy. When I texted her about the order not being ready and stuff like that, she said it is better that you don't turn down my street off of this road as it is a bunch of big rocks. This is a better way of doing it. So I did exactly what she said, and yeah, I'm here, no problems. I must leave it at the steps, take a picture, and then ring the bell. This is a contactless delivery? Yes, it is. All right. Trying.
Did my directions help a little?
Yes, I did exactly that. Thank you.
Okay, good. Have a good one.
You
should
too.
go out that way, the way you came in.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, you guys. She was super duper nice. She told me to go back out that way and not down this street because she said like there's a whole bunch of like big rocks and stuff down the street. So that's why she gave me a different like direction of, you know, doing that. So yeah. Anyways, you guys, I am done working for today. I did a total of like 8 deliveries and I made $73.53. And yeah, you guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you find every single time your girl put her videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.